Hello everyone, I am Indu Preetham from the Prolifix product team. Today, we are going to explore one of the less explored yet powerful widgets in Panther, known as Panther graphs. To learn more about Panther graphs, you can visit our documentation at docs.prolifix.com. Navigate to display widgets where you will find a wide variety of graphs supported by Panther and understand what each graph offers. Graphs play a very important role in any application. They helps you to visualize data clearly, make faster decisions, improve productivity, gain quick insights at a glance. Now, in this video, we'll walk you through a small demo to show how Panther Graphs works. Here, we are rendering graphs using data that is coming from a grid. The grid can be populated from multiple sources, such as Excel files, databases, or any external data sources. For this demo, we have considered a small data set for 1 year. Our table contains the following columns: months, units produced, units sold, raw material cost, and MRP. Our goal is to visualize how many units were produced each month and how many units were sold. This helps business make a data-driven decisions and plan better for the future. Now let's go into the test mode and see how the data looks. Now as soon as I enter into the test mode, the grid data is displayed. From the same test window, we can also view our graph. Now you can see beautiful interactive graphs rendered by Panther clearly showing units produced and units sold. One of the best features of this Panther graphs is they are dynamic. Let me show what this means. If we go back and add few more rows to the grid, here I have populated the 3 additional rows. Once the data is fetched and populated, I click the Analyze button again. You can immediately see that the graph updates automatically to reflect the new data. This is how easily and efficiently you can explore and analyze data using Panther graphs. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.